something doggy noise.
Oh, it's a special ball. Let's see. This special ball is going to make a funny sound. So excited to see what's going to happen. Oh, that's it. You just
careful with it.
got to be careful with it because it might have some staples on there. And staples can be very sharp. So you might need a grown-up to help you sometimes. Was it a lot of glue? Oh, well done. Yeah, that's fine. That's okay. Good boy. Just put it down. Well done. We're going to take it out of the packaging. I think we'll open the plastic a little bit more.
Don't hear it.
Yeah. It's already making the sounds. It's a bit funny.
You can't hear it. Don't hear it.
Don't hear it yet, guys. Wait for us to open it. Do you want to rip it open? That's it. You can use your big nails. You can use your sharp nails to open the plastic.
Which one is it open?
Yeah, that's it. Do you think you can rip it open?
No.
Should we see now? We just opened a little bit of the plastic. Let's see what's inside. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. There we go. Wow, it looks like a really cool ball. There we go. Yay! You can turn it around. That's amazing. So this ball makes a lot of cool... Yeah. Makes like a little squeaky, and it's got a little bend in there. Oh, don't know if that should be in there or not. There we go. So it's a little bit cool. So you can roll it and it makes some nice sounds. That's amazing. Wow, Aidan, thanks for showing us.
Be stronger, healthy. Watch all my videos at Aidan's click on one of them. Be stronger, healthy. Bye.
Oh, thanks for watching. Please tap the like button and subscribe at Aidan's Adventures 2023. We'll see you again very soon. Bye.